time to join the demo. Okay. Yeah, before going to the demo, I will give that my introduction. So myself, Amar. Okay, I have around 14 plus years of IT experiences there. Coming to that training, yeah, it's almost 7 years is crossed. Okay, 7 years of experience. It includes that corporate trainings and classroom and online trainings, guys. Okay, give me a moment. I will share my technical profile with you so that you can understand. One minute, guys. I will share it soon. Yeah. Meanwhile, guys, can you fill this form because this is for that just for attendance. Okay. No. Yeah. Meanwhile, can you fill this form? After fill the form, please ping me and okay. Or fill the whatever it. Okay, guys. Now it's ready. I'm going to share my screen. Are you able to see my screen? No. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Have you guys filled this form? If you fill, please type into here. The chat box is there. If you fill, please ping man like okay or fill. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is my profile, guys. Okay, these are that my experience. It's a 14 plus years of ERP consulting experience. Prior roles experience. I'm a solution architect currently and tech lead, senior technical consultants. Now it's a trainer of that Microsoft certified trainer. Okay, I done that to all the certifications related to that D365 and H2012 and Power Platform certifications also. And core competency, these are that my capabilities. Okay, I worked on the integration supports, end-to-end implementation. Most things I worked on that most 14 years I worked on the end-to-end implementation, and on and off I moved to that support projects only. Okay, then these are the industries I have worked on: mining and travel, in the trade and utilities. Some other industries also I worked on that one, but I'm not mentioned here. Yeah, this is that course details, actually dates of okay daily. This is related to corporate, okay, but don't consider. Okay, this is the previous I have provided that my corporate trainings to these are the companies. Okay, all are level 5 companies, guys. If you want, you can check. If anybody wants to be required, I will show that invoices also. I got that amount from these companies. I given the quotations. So Sonata Software or Varnas and Alpha Variants, a US company, and they have a one company is available in the branch in that Bangalore. 8 so Centridge is a Pune based company, and Alpha Care is that actually Saudi based company. Okay, this is the corporate charge. I'm actually charging for her per hour 8,500 rupees. I'm charging to this company. This is a related to different. Okay, that is corporate. So this is about that my profile, and we'll quickly jump into that finance and operations demo. Okay, yeah. Before going to the demo, guys, do you have any idea about that F and Go or who referred to you this one? Hmm? Okay, if you want to speak, I can explore more ideas. Otherwise, I can continue with that demo in the demo point of view, or if you are going to enroll the course also. Interaction is very important, guys. So, yeah, first of all, I'm clear cut. I'm telling one thing is this is a coding related one. Okay, I don't know if anyone is. If you have may have that thought, this is not related to coding, just drag and drop feature. Okay, that is not the real. It's a entirely completely it's a coding related. Yeah, coming to that Dynamics 365, it's actually ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. Okay, why few of the products we can call it as a ERP, few of the things we can call it as a development. ERP is nothing but a existing product, guys. Okay, ERP is nothing but it's already existing product. But if it is existing product, but what I can do? Okay, if a product is already available, but what we can do? So we are going to do that customizations. What we can do? Customizations. Let's example, if I purchase today one new car, brand new car. Okay, after purchasing a brand new car, can I get the same thing into directly from shore to home? Yeah, after that we can go with that somewhat the customization as per our daily needs or our needs, right? So if I change that to seat covering or steerings, mats, music system, okay, some other things, because I don't know what the terminology they are using. Okay, some of the things we are going to be change. The same thing here also. After purchasing that ERP product, then we are going to be customizations as per the client needs. That's why our technical consultants are required. Here only two jobs are available, two designations, sorry. One is that functional, and second one is the technical. There is no testing. Okay, there is no tester here, because functional people will do the testing. Okay, functional people will talk about these two roles. Functional people, what they will do, they will get the requirements from clients, and they will prepare a functional design document. Client will provide to these guys as a BRD, business required document. Okay, from this onwards, they will prepare a technical functional design documents. Once that FTDs are ready, then technical consultant will come to the picture. He will do that customization. What is the language here we are using? H++ language. And technical consultant will prepare the document called technical design. Simple, guys. This is the job roles. One is the functional and the second one is the technical. Okay, what are the qualifications is required for the technical? Okay, technical education should be, okay, it's a BTech computer science or IT mechanical, anything is fine, guys. Okay, and MCS, BSc computers, guys. BCom computers also. Okay, BSc computers and BCom computers, BA computers also. MSc computers who are coming from that computer language. Okay, those are okay with to learn with the technical course. And what are the functional guys will do? Functional guys coming from the MBAs. Okay, just simple BCom, CA. Okay, these are eligible to learn that functional training. Okay. I believe all of you coming from that technical background. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Yeah. And going back to that, the functional consultant, how they are interacting with the clients. Let's say example, guys. Suppose why we are using the ERP. So the our client having that multiple businesses. Okay, one is that, let's say example, you have that one manufacturing factory or like, okay, manufacturing or jewelry shop or mining work related clothes store, okay, supermarkets, different jobs, different industries. Our client is the IT industry, our real estate industry. Okay, our client is required to online this their business to track that their business. Okay, here I am talking about that only their op business. Okay, to start any one of the business, the minimum things is that we require the vendor. Okay, customer is required to sell products, and we need a warehouse and a HR to recruit the people and payroll to process them, right? And finance for money is required to start the business, and inventory. Okay, these are the things is involved in that any small business also. So if you the client is going to that any company to implement that these all basic modules, it will take that minimum to minimum 6 to 1 year or 2 years also. Okay, so that point of view, it will take much time and client will lose that business. But coming to that ERP, so once that the client is okay, the very first day onwards, when very first day onwards, he can ready to use this product. But later point of view, he can go with that customizations. Got it? Till now, any questions, guys? No, fine. Yeah. So first day onwards is ready to use. But what we are going to be do the customization. Let's go to that our customer. See, this is the actual product what we are seeing here. So this is the home page, guys. Company. So here what I am telling some default modules, accounts payable. Go to that accounts payable. All vendor management is here. Account receivable, customer related information is there, and these are other modules also is there. Okay, and payroll, the salaries and everything, employees leaves and all those things here it will maintain. And human resource HR is there to recruit that employees, contractors, all those things. It's a ready to use, guys. Okay, here what we are going to be do that. Let's example here employees is there. When I click on that employees, so employees master is open. If you require any other information here needs to be added, or so suppose I want to add the one more button to track that employee week, what are the leaves or what are that bills he have paid. So this entire information I can put into here. So this type of customization is already existing. Microsoft is already implemented this product. Okay, so this product we are going to be customizing. And initial stages Microsoft is not implemented. This is coming from that Danish from Damgat. Okay, after that IBM is acquired this one from IBM to Microsoft Dynamics 365. Microsoft is acquired, and they have renamed to that AIDS 2009, AIDS 2012, and currently is the D365 Finance and Operations. Our course is now D365 Finance and Operations. Here we are using the H++ language, and where we are going to write the code. We are writing the code in the Visual Studio. So guys, this is a recent batch is happening. So here Dynamics 365. If anyone is familiar with the Visual Studio, hmm?
Yes, Amar.
Yes.
Yeah, good to know. So in Dynamics 365, one tab is there in Visual Studio. Okay, here, but in your Visual Studio, you can't find this one. But we can't add it also. Okay, only Microsoft provided missions, it will come. Okay, so this is the Visual Studio. Here we can write it. Let's say example. I just show that coding by curiosity. Suppose, okay, I will open that another batch code stuff page. July batch. Currently, July batch is going to start. Select queries. Anyone knows the SQL or Oracle? Hmm? Guys,
I
anyone
have
knows
a bit
about?
idea on SQL.
Yeah, yeah. Then it's good to know. Suppose in SQL, you want to write the query. Is this same? It's little. It's almost 99% is equal to SQL, right?
Yes.
SQL also, yeah. In SQL, we can write the select star from, right? But here,
Mm.
you can write the star from, or directly also we can write it. Hmm? So this is a called a H++ coding, guys. See, select a star from. Suppose if it is looping while select. So this is to bring that records recently class, because a few of the guys are having the idea. So actually, what they're thinking, it's a very big coding, and ERP having that compared to other technologies, means development technologies, it having that very huge amount of code need to write. No, no. Okay, it's a very simple guys code, and there is a standard code is also is there. These are all other standard objects, Microsoft objects. Okay, here these objects we are going to be customizing. See, this is a standard code. Here we can't do anything. See, if I give the space and I'm trying to save it, but it will not allow, because Microsoft is restricted the standard code, guys. So for this one, we can go with the test extensions or event handler. See, coding is very simple, guys. Okay, there is no big lines of code. Okay, even in the standard also there is no much amount of code is there. Okay, it's simple, look like a select queries look like. Hmm, that is about that product, and we are going to be customizing the this code through event handlers and extensions. It's a depends upon the requirement, we can choose that one. Hmm, yeah. So this is about that our Dynamics 365 and Visual Studio, you can write it. And what are the system configurations is required for this one? See, guys. Okay, the system configurations is that minimum Core i5 or i7. Nowadays, everyone is using that i7 seventh generation, right? So i7 and SSD hard disk 500 GB and RAM 8 GB or 16 GB. Okay, 16 GB. If you are, if you in your systems already 8 GB is there, please go for that upgradation of that 16 GB, because you will not uh, get that slowness issue. And while doing the installation, we have a two types of installations. One is that bootable, and second one is the VM. Don't go with that VM, because it will take that your two OSs running at a time, and it will take that huge memory, and you will face that slowness while doing that one. Bootable, it means what are the memory you are using, the same memory it is applicable to that Dynamics 365 and above, then it will, we can we can face that performance good compared to VM. Okay, coming to that, our my training sessions. This batch is going to start very next week, or else I will update after 10 days. Okay, it's a batch timings is the 9 a.m. IST to 10 a.m. IST, guys. Okay, morning 9 to 10, daily 1 hour. It's a 45 hours session is there. Okay, we'll share that syllabus also to you. After end of this session, we'll shoot a email to your email IDs. You get that, and we'll provide that videos recordings. It's a read access. Okay, and soft copy of materials and live sessions. All are okay. All are live sessions, and every Saturday we have a virtual lab is there. Means what are the classes are what are the sessions are happened in that week. If you have any doubts or unsolved with that errors or lab anyway struck it, we have a free time on that Saturday, we can connect it. Or if we don't have that any lab related issues, we can continue the class. Okay, but it's not particularly on the Saturday. Every day also you can ask, but Saturday everyone get a chance to share your screens and everything, because we can spend more time. Okay, yeah. Any questions, guys? That's it for my end. If you want to ask anything, okay, I'm going to stop the recording.